Dreams are not what we see in sleep. It is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. With this beautiful thought, a very good morning to respected fathers, teachers, and all my dear friends. It's me Ronak of Star 8B, and today I feel honored to speak on the subject that has been the heartbeat of our nation history. And that topic is the role of freedom fighter in our nation. When we are going to talk about freedom fighter, we are not going to just talk about their name in the history book or somewhere else, but we are going to talk about their name for the struggle, hard work, dedication, and etc. These were the men and women who dared to dream an independent India when the India was under the colonial period, in which the colonial period chain was unbreakable. So from Mahatma Gandhi, whose weapon was to fight through the non-violence, to Subhash Chandra Bose, who believed in non-violence, to Subhash Chandra Bose, who believed in action and sacrifice, from Rani Lakshmibai, who fought through the sword, to Bhagat Singh, who inspired the youth of his young, fearless spirit. These were the freedom fighters who has contributed in their own unique and special way. Their struggle was not only for the fight or for the battle. Their struggle was for the unity of the country, freedom, republic, and dignity for all the Indian citizens. So for this, some fought through the sword, some in the battlefield, some through the words, some through the action, and some through the movements. For example, Mahatma Gandhi has led to the many movements such as the Champaran movement, the Quit India movement, the non-cooperation movement, the civil disobedience movement, etc. Thus creating a sense of brotherhood and unity, the India got independence on 15 August 1947. Even today, the freedom fighter legacy guides us, and freedom fighter of our nation has taught that when the nation is united, no other country power can hold it back. And we should not forget that the freedom we enjoy was brought up by the pain, blood, death of the many people and the struggle. So our duty is not only to remember them on the special occasion or the special days. Our duty is to remember them on the basis of daily activities we are going to do. Such as when we are going to do something, we should remember the freedom fighter, and we should also be a good citizen by a responsible citizens. In our nation we see that the caste system now even exists in our nation, because just we have seen the Pahalgam attack, in which the 26 people were being killed by the Pakistani terrorists, and they were being killed by the they were being killed because they belong to the Hindu people or Hindu religion. When the Pakistani terrorist has asked the people that from which caste or religion you belong, when the people say that they belong to the Hindu caste or Hindu religion, all the people were being killed by the Pakistani terrorists. So from this we can conclude that the caste system even today exists in our nation. So we should remove the caste system from our nation for the progress of our country. With this, in conclusion, I want to say that those who fear with the failure never enjoy the joy of success. With this, thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.